Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how to programmatically trigger an SMS AI agent using .NET. In just a few minutes you'll have an SMS AI agent for order updates that your .NET application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, get started by building your AI agent in a single click. Under the Agents tab, click on Create Agent and select Conversational Agent. When Vibe Agent screen launches, you can simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's set up an HTTP-triggered SMS AI agent to manage order-related updates. The agent should proactively inform customers about key order updates, handle follow-up questions about payment, processing, shipping, or cancellation, and guide customers with clear next steps. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your SMS agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever an order update event occurs. Next, click on the Language dropdown on the right. For this video, let's select .NET. Plivo generates a ready-made .NET snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. You can integrate the snippet directly into your .NET application or run it as a standalone script to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever an order status changes. Let's go ahead and run a quick local test. Paste the .NET snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your SMS AI agent. Here's how it plays out in a real scenario. Once the user completes the payment and the order enters the processing stage, the user automatically receives an SMS. And that's it. Your SMS AI agent for order updates is fully deployed. From here on, every time your .NET application hits the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will automatically trigger the agent and keep customers informed about their orders using Plivo.